aerospace engine manufacturing is an important part for aerospace industry, and the aerospace engine integrates geometry, complex structural design. So, the manufacturing of integrated complex structure faces a big machining challenge. 3D intelligent electrochemical machining system technology can be used for innovative technology of key aerospace components manufacturing. The technology has been successfully certified in the manufacturing of aerospace turbine engine diffuser. Processing with this technology can significantly shorten the processing time by about 70%, achieve a high efficiency yield of 3 times, and reduce production costs by 50%. In addition to the aerospace industry to overcome the dilemma of difficult-to-machine materials in the aerospace field and tremendously reduce machining costs and increase machining efficiency, it can also be applied in the medical devices or precision machining industry to meet the needs of small quantity and customized products, such as difficult-to-machine materials by innovative process technology.